Imagine a world where your insurance payout is triggered the moment your flight is canceled, where decentralized finance platforms can automatically manage billions of dollars of collateral without human error, or where banks, blockchains, and enterprises communicate seamlessly, instantly, and securely. This is not science fiction. This is the invisible layer quietly powering the Web3 ecosystem, Chainlink. At its core, Chainlink is a decentralized oracle network. Think of it as a bridge or translator. On one side, blockchains, secure and immutable but blind to the outside world. On the other side, real-world information, financial prices, weather, sports results, interest rates, even APIs from enterprise databases. Without a reliable bridge like Chainlink, smart contracts are useless for real-world applications. And Chainlink does this in a decentralized, trustless way, meaning no single point of failure and no reliance on a central entity. Chainlink's impact is already massive in DeFi. Lending platforms like Aave and Compound rely on Chainlink's price feeds to determine collateral value in real time. Synthetics uses Chainlink to power derivatives and synthetic assets. Even decentralized exchanges like Curve and staking platforms like Lido use Chainlink for accurate on-chain data. Without Chainlink, these protocols could be manipulated by inaccurate price feeds, leaving users vulnerable to massive losses. In short, Chainlink is the invisible backbone securing billions in DeFi. But Chainlink is not just about DeFi. Its next big innovation is CCIP, Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol. CCIP lets different blockchains communicate securely, similar to how SWIFT connects global banks. Imagine Ethereum sending tokens to Solana, or a stablecoin moving between Polygon and Avalanche, all without a centralized bridge. This could dramatically reduce risk, fees, and transaction delays while enabling cross-chain DeFi applications. It's the kind of infrastructure that could underpin the future financial system. Real-world enterprise adoption is already underway. SWIFT, which connects over 11,000 banks worldwide, has partnered with Chainlink to test cross-chain settlement. Google Cloud, Oracle, Amazon AWS, and AccuWeather are also integrating data feeds via Chainlink nodes. Even central banks and financial institutions are exploring how Chainlink can provide verifiable, automated proofs of assets and transactions. Chainlink is no longer just a crypto infrastructure project. It's a trusted data layer for both DeFi and TradFi. Another powerful use case is proof of reserve. Stablecoins like USDC, TUSD, and tokenized assets use Chainlink to provide real-time verification that every token is backed by actual dollars or assets. For example, Circle publishes USDC reserve data on-chain via Chainlink, letting anyone verify it instantly. As the market for tokenized treasuries, gold, real estate, and other assets grows, Chainlink's proof of reserve becomes critical for trust, transparency, and regulatory compliance. Then there's DECO and data streams, which allow companies to sell verifiable real-world data to smart contracts without revealing private details. Imagine a bank streaming live interest rates to DeFi protocols, or a weather company feeding rainfall data directly to an insurance smart contract. All automated, all auditable, all monetized in real time. This is the bridge bringing Web2 data into Web3, opening doors for mass adoption by enterprises. Let's talk about the Link token. Link is more than a crypto token. It's the fuel of the entire Chainlink ecosystem. Node operators earn Link for providing data feeds. Link is staked to secure the network, aligning incentives and reliability. Link powers cross-chain communication via CCIP. As Chainlink adoption grows, demand for Link grows naturally, making it a functional utility token, not just a speculative asset. Chainlink's strength lies in its network effects. Each new integration increases data availability, reliability, and trust. Every time a bank, insurance company, or DeFi protocol joins the network, it strengthens the ecosystem for everyone. It's the same principle that made Visa, the Internet, or SWIFT indispensable. Small, incremental adoption, creating global network dominance. So, what does this mean for mass adoption? Chainlink is quietly building the data layer for the decentralized world. From DeFi to enterprises, from stablecoins to tokenized treasuries, and from cross-chain messaging to real-world data streams, Chainlink is the invisible backbone connecting code, money, and real-world truth. When the world finally realizes how critical trustless, verifiable data is for the digital economy, they'll discover that it runs through Chainlink. It may not be the loudest project in headlines, but it might just be the most important one for the future of Web3.